dive into the heart of Northern Europe as we explore the hidden gem that is Latvia. Nestled between Estonia and Lithuania, this little-known paradise boasts a delightful blend of natural beauty and architectural marvels. Latvia, a treasure trove of unspoiled landscapes, is waiting to share its secrets with us. Imagine strolling through lush forests, admiring majestic castles, or simply basking in the tranquility of its serene beaches. Pack your virtual bags as we embark on an unforgettable journey through Latvia's most astounding sceneries. Our first stop, the Gauja National Park, an enchanting forest paradise. A realm where lush greenery reigns supreme, Gauja National Park is a testament to nature's profound beauty, a spectacle that leaves one in awe, time and time again. Imagine dense forests stretching as far as the eye can see, their leaves rustling in the wind, whispering the tales of centuries past. This is a place where every season paints a new masterpiece, from vibrant spring blooms to the fiery colors of autumn. Now let's turn our attention to the park's lifeblood, the Gauja River. This majestic river meanders through the park, carving a path through the verdant landscape. It's a sight to behold, a river that's as unpredictable as it is beautiful, changing its course with the seasons and shaping the land in its wake. The Gauja River is not just a river, it's a storyteller, narrating the story of the land it traverses. But what's a forest without its inhabitants? Gauja National Park is a haven for a myriad of wildlife species, each playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of this ecosystem. From the chirping of birds to the rustling of small mammals in the undergrowth, the park is teeming with life. It's a symphony of nature, a chorus of voices that fills the forest with a melody that's as enchanting as it is mesmerizing. And let's not forget about the opportunities for adventure that Gauja National Park offers. Whether it's hiking through the forest, canoeing down the river, or bird-watching, there's something for everyone in this verdant wonderland. It's a place that invites you to explore, to lose yourself in its beauty, and to discover the magic that lies within its borders. So if you've been yearning for an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, look no further. Gauja National Park is a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, a place where you can reconnect with nature and find solace in its serene landscapes. It's a place that reminds us of the beauty that exists in our world, a beauty that's often overlooked in our hectic daily lives. Embrace the tranquility of Gauja National Park, a testament to Latvia's stunning landscapes. Next, we step into the grandeur of the past at the Rundāle Palace. In southern Latvia, nestled amid a landscape of sweeping fields and serene woodlands, lies a true gem of Baroque architecture, the Rundāle Palace. This magnificent structure, designed by the illustrious Italian architect Bartolomeo Rastrelli, is a testament to the opulence of the 18th century. With its stunning facade of ornate stucco work, this palace is a visual symphony of artistic mastery. As we wander through the palace's lavish interiors, we are transported back in time. Each room tells a unique story adorned with intricate frescoes, gilded moldings, and antique furniture that echo the grandeur of bygone eras. From the Gold Hall's breathtaking splendor to the White Hall's elegant simplicity, Rundāle Palace is a living museum, each corner whispering tales of nobility, grand balls, and royal intrigues. But the grandiosity does not end within the palace walls. Surrounding this architectural masterpiece are the palace gardens, a spectacle in their own right. Inspired by the French formal garden style, these meticulously landscaped gardens are a sight to behold. They boast a symphony of blooming flowers, neatly trimmed hedges, and tranquil fountains that create an enchanting atmosphere. As you stroll along the gravel paths, under the shade of tall trees and amidst the scent of blooming roses, you can't help but feel a sense of royal elegance. The Rundāle Palace is more than just a building. It is a piece of history, a testament to Latvia's rich cultural heritage. Over the centuries, it has withstood wars, served as a school, and even hosted royalty. Today it stands as a symbol of Latvia's resilience and artistic spirit, attracting history buffs, architecture enthusiasts, and curious travelers from all corners of the globe. As we leave the grounds of the palace, the image of its grand facade, the scent of its blooming gardens, and the echoes of its rich history linger in our memories. Rundāle Palace, a touch of royal elegance amid Latvia's scenic splendors. Now, let's journey to Cape Kolka, where the sea meets the sky. Cape Kolka, in the quaint region of Courland, offers an enchanting panorama that could easily be a muse for poets and artists alike. Here, you'll witness a spectacle where the vast expanse of the Baltic Sea and the Gulf of Riga meet, creating a breathtaking sight that's sure to etch itself in your memory. The confluence of these two bodies of water is a visual treat, a testament to the Earth's natural beauty that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. The shores of Cape Kolka are a haven for birdwatchers. It's a pit stop for numerous migratory birds, offering a rare spectacle of nature at its finest. You'll find yourself immersed in the tranquility of the surroundings, the sound of waves crashing and birds chirping, creating a symphony that's as soothing as it is captivating. The Cape, often referred to as Latvia's Land's End, has a storied history. The Kolka lighthouse, standing tall since the late 19th century, is a silent witness to the passage of time. Its towering presence adds a dash of nostalgic charm to the landscape, a reminder of the age-old bond between man and the sea. As you soak in the view, you'll notice the dance of the waves at the Cape. The Baltic Sea and the Gulf of Riga, each with its own rhythm, meet, mingle and part ways, painting an ever-changing canvas of blue. It's a mesmerizing sight, a dance of nature that's as rhythmic as it is random. Cape Kolka is not just a geographical location, it's a sensory experience. The salty tang of the sea, the cool breeze, the rhythmic lullaby of waves, the panoramic view that stretches as far as the eye can see, all come together to create a moment that's nothing short of magical. Every visit to Cape Kolka is a new experience, as the sea and sky paint a different picture each day. It's a place that invites you to lose yourself in the moment, to connect with nature, and to take a step back from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Cape Kolka, a breathtaking spectacle of nature's grandeur. Feel the sand under your feet at Jurmala Beach. Imagine a place where the world seems to slow down, where the rhythm of the waves sets the pace, and where time is measured by the ebb and flow of the soothing Baltic Sea. Welcome to Jurmala Beach, the crown jewel of Latvia's coastal beauty. Stretching out as far as the eye can see, the beach is a mesmerizing stretch of powdery white sand, a canvas for nature's masterpiece. Here, every footprint tells a story, a snapshot of someone's journey, a moment in time, frozen until the sea claims it back. As you walk along the beach, the soft sand squishing between your toes, you can feel the stress of everyday life melting away. The air is filled with the sweet, salty aroma of the sea, a scent that lingers, a scent that takes you back to simpler times. And then, there's the soothing sound of the waves, a symphony of the sea, a lullaby that never grows old. But Jurmala Beach is not just about the sand and the sea. It's about the charming wooden houses that line the coast, standing tall and proud, a testament to Latvia's rich architectural heritage. Each house tells its own story, a narrative etched in wood and time. Some are painted in bright hues, others sport a more rustic look, but all of them add to the unique charm of Jurmala. Whether you're a nature enthusiast seeking tranquility or a history buff interested in architecture, Jurmala Beach is a place where you can lose yourself and find yourself at the same time. It's a place where the sea whispers secrets to the shore, where the wind carries tales from distant lands, and where every grain of sand holds the promise of a new story. So come, take a stroll along the beach, listen to the tales of the sea, explore the charming houses, and let Jurmala Beach take you on a journey of discovery and relaxation. Remember, it's not just a beach, it's an experience, an escape, a love letter from Latvia to the world. Jurmala Beach, a serene escape into Latvia's coastal beauty. From lush parks to grand palaces, serene beaches to enchanting capes, Latvia's sceneries are a feast for the senses. Our journey through Latvia has taken us through a range of awe-inspiring locales. We've toured the verdant expanses of Gauja National Park, marveled at the architectural splendor of Rundāle Palace, experienced the wild beauty of Cape Kolka, and basked in the coastal charm of Jurmala Beach. Each destination has offered a unique glimpse into the natural and cultural wonders of this Baltic gem. Yet, as they say, every good thing must come to an end. Our adventure across Latvia draws to a close, but fear not, for our exploration of the world's most stunning landscapes has only just begun. Now we turn to you, our fellow travelers, to guide our future journeys. Which corner of Europe should we explore next? The rolling hills of Tuscany, the rugged coastlines of Norway, or the historic cityscapes of Prague? The choice is yours. And remember, every like, share, and subscribe brings us one step closer to our next adventure together. Your support helps this channel grow and continue to bring you captivating content from around the globe. Your journey through Latvia ends here, but the adventure continues. So, tell us where to next.